Hey guys, what's up? It's DJ with EasyPro back with another multifamily property. Today, we are at Beaumont Farms. Beaumont Farms is the largest apartment community in Lexington, Kentucky with 508 units and over 30 structures on property. Today, and actually the past 2 weeks, we're cleaning the exterior, including the vinyl siding, the fascia, the soffit, the gutters, everything that we normally do to come in and make these properties restore and renew their curb appeal so that they're nice and fresh and clean for the tenants. There's also several breezeways throughout the property. Some buildings have one, some buildings have two breezeways. We're washing down the walls, and we take extra precaution, as you can see here in the clip, of taping off and plasticking the fire suppression systems to ensure there's no damage done to those. Again, when you hire a pro, we go the extra step and make sure that the property is cleaned properly and done professionally. We are focused on cleaning away the mold, the mildew, and the algae. If you're a multifamily manager or portfolio manager, you have a property, there's no such thing as a project too big for EasyPro. Reach out to us, give us a call, or visit us online at myeasypro.com. We'd be more than happy to put together a free property evaluation and proposal for you.